In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the tailgate latch on a Ford F-150. Lower your tailgate. We're going to remove this panel, and it has 12 Torx bit screws in it, and that's a T30. I'm just going to remove all 12 of them. Grab the cover, lift it up. So you're going to undo these plastic clips if you do both latches. So I like to take a pair of pliers, and I'm going to pull back on that gear and just pull it right up. See that? Now I'm just going to work my way down. I'm going to go to this plastic tab, take the pliers, squeeze it, pull it right through, and then I'm going to get a T40 Torx bit, and I'm going to come down here. I'm going to take these mounting bolts out. Like I said, it's a T40. Pull the gate up just a little bit, take the strain off that cable. Now, with that all ready to come out, I'm going to come back down here, pull up on this, let it just pop right out. Grab that latch, pull it out. I don't even need to take the rod all the way out because what I'm replacing is right here. So twist it. You're going to take your new latch and reverse the procedure. So now you're going to take your latch and you're going to guide it right through that plastic clip. Loop it like that. Slide it right through. Guide that threaded rod right up onto that. And now it's pre-marked because mine's got rust on it, but if yours doesn't have rust on it, you can always take a Sharpie before you open it and mark it with a Sharpie. This one's got a nice pre-rust line. Snap it down in, put that lock on, just push down. Now we can remount the latch. Always start things by hand. And the back one has the staging. That is for the cable, you'll see. So lift the gate up a little bit. Start it by hand. Once again, using the T40 bit, we're going to tighten up the latch mounting screws. I'm going to snug them up. And now I'm going to torque them. So 26 foot-pounds. Double check the back one. Beautiful. Now we can replace the cover. For some reason I had a bolt missing on both ends, so I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm just going to place them, start them by hand, and work my way all the way down to the other side. Being that these are basically like sheet metal screws, I'm not going to torque them. I'm just going to take my T30 Torx bit and just bottom them out. I'm going to start from the middle though. That way I get it to level out. And because it is a moving part, I always like to spray the things down before I close it. Never hurts to get those springs lubed up. All right, now let's shut it and open it. Actually, it works better than it did before. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.